Christina, the mobile home mama here in Topeka, Indiana. I'd like to showcase our newest show home here on the lot. It is a luxury home and you are going to be super impressed with this house. Starting with the exterior, this is part of our Summit series, our top of the line home series. We're going to start with Lineal Trims. Lineal Trims is something that people do in place of shutters. It does come standard with this home. Gives it a nice, clean, modern look. You can get that in the color of white. And on the vinyl siding, we have 5 standard colors and 3 upgradable colors. This happens to be our blue Wedgwood upgrade. This is a 28 by 68 home. We're going to showcase it in a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, but there are many variations to the same floor plan. In the Summit series, we've got a 3-bedroom, a 4-bedroom, a 5-bedroom, and different variations of all of those. Next up, some beautiful shake siding. We have this available in 3 different colors. So the coolest part of building a prefab home is you get to choose the color design. So we're going to take our floor plan or the box with the room placements where you would like them, and then you get to make our floor plan your home by choosing the different colors, options, and upgrades. With the Summit series, not much to upgrade in here, guys, because it all comes standard. Heading into the house, I wanted to point out the dormers up top. All of this exterior is standard in this home, which is not usually the case in our homes. But in this particular Summit series, all of these that I'm pointing out here is a standard feature, even including the dormers. Standard roof pitch on our homes is 312. We also offer a 512. Come on in. We did add a craftsman door on this home. Right away when you walk in, you're going to notice a shiplap exit wall coming into the living room. Check this out, guys. Nice wide open floor plan. Everything flows all together. So if you're cooking in the kitchen, you're seeing what's going on in the living room as well. Let's talk about the living room first. Standard in this home, hardwood cabinets. This is an urban oak color. Built-in entertainment center with sliding barn doors. We've got this already ready for your TV, already ready for your cable. Electric fireplace that does blow out heat. Lots of cubby holes here. When you close your doors, you can also cover those up. So if you've got kiddos running the house and they always want to get into your things, you can sure hide them. One of the main features you're going to notice about this house is standard drywall. 1/2-inch thick of the drywall with an R19 insulation in the walls. Check this kitchen out, guys. There's so many included options in this kitchen. It's amazing. Quartz countertops in a Hamilton pattern. Upgraded black stainless steel appliances, Whirlpool appliances, and they're all included. Side-by-side refrigerator, microwave with a trim kit, dishwasher, smooth top range, stainless steel hood. Also, subway tile for a backsplash. We do have ceramic that we offer as well. Drawers over doors. Door pulls. 42-inch cabinets to the ceiling. And check out this pantry. Notice this is a waterfall island, windfall island. You can do this or you can leave it off. It's up to you. In the dining area, we have added a patio door. Standard here would be a window, so this is an option. One of the few options that you'll see in this house. Up in the ceiling, we've got can lighting throughout. Heading back this way. If you're working from home, you're going to do it in style. We have opted to add the optional study in this room, this home. And Xavier's going to go in that room, and I'm going to meet you in the middle. We've got a Jack and Jill bathroom on either side of the bedrooms. Head on this way. Right across the street, we've got bath 3. In bath 3, we do have an extended vanity with a bank of drawers. The standard tub shower combination. Heading that way. Going into the utility room, laundry room, kind of like a mini laundromat. Go ahead. This is called a crafting center. We have added optional washer dryer cabinets with a bar in the middle to hang what you need to hang. And this is an optional utility sink here with this cabinetry and this deep utility sink. Optional door to shut it off from the side door. Your side exit is that way. But now we're going to go to the best part of the house. Coat closet. Coming into the master bedroom. We've got a white wrap profile trim at the top. And attached to the master bedroom, the radiant spot. LED lighted mirrors. Square sinks. Real metal faucets. A freestanding tub with the plumbing that's coming up out of the floor. Hardwood cabinets flowing throughout the entire home. Master closet. And a 5-foot shower. As you can see, we can do it real big. Come on, come visit me here in Topeka, Indiana. I'll give you a personal tour. Thanks for watching.